Today, I share with you this simple recipe that you can enjoy at home with your lovely family. It is so simple to prepare and super delicious. Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting one, so let's begin. Start by sifting all-purpose flour in a bowl. Always sift the flour before making use of it, alright? To that, I move in with salt. Mix to combine very well. Once that is done, I move in with 2 tablespoons of oil. I am using cooking oil. Use any brand of your choice, alright? Remember, I did not add any rising agent. No baking powder, no yeast, alright? But you can feel free to add any other dry ingredient of your choice, okay? Add any flavor, alright? Mix to combine very well. It is time to move in with hot water. Use hot water that you can manage. I didn't mean you should go and burn your hand. Okay, once you add the hot water, go ahead and start mixing. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved one. Alright, now I transfer the dough to the work surface. I will continue mixing and kneading till I form a smooth dough, just like this one. Transfer the dough back into the bowl, cover and set aside to rest. While the dough is resting, let's prepare the fillings, alright? I'll be using sweet potatoes. You can use Irish potatoes, alright? Cook the potatoes till they are very soft and tender. Use any means that you have to mash the potatoes. I'll be mashing the potatoes with a strainer and a spatula as demonstrated on the video, alright? Once that is done, I added some salt. You can only add salt if you didn't boil the potatoes with salt, okay? I didn't boil the potatoes with salt, that's why I added salt. I move in with shredded carrots, some spring onions, and some chopped bell pepper. Now I added some ginger powder, all-purpose spice, and some chili pepper. Alright, I'll be adding sardine, or you can use any protein of your choice. I added a little bit of oil from the sardine. Alright, I don't want the potato to look too dry. Okay, mix to combine very well. You can skip the sardine part, it is totally optional. Okay, you can go alone with the potatoes and the veggies. Now, after mixing, I added some few sardine fish, okay? Mix to combine very well. You should have this yummy looking potato mix. I love it. Trust me, it smells so good and it tastes so amazing. Back to the dough, that is after about 10 minutes. It is time to take the dough to another level. Dust the work surface with some flour. Place the dough. I'm going to massage in a way that it will be easier for me to roll. Moving with the rolling pin and start rolling to flatten the dough. Beautiful shout out to you, Esther Timothy, watching from Lagos. Irene from Kenya, you are beautiful. Diana from Uganda, I recognize you. And Ifeyinwa, all the way from USA. Whoops. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? I continue to roll till I come to a flat dough just like this one. Roll the dough to a very flat dough, alright? Now use any round object in your kitchen and cut in a round shape as demonstrated. I'm sure you know this part. You can do it very well. Okay, once that is done, I take out the excess ones. It is time to move in with the fillings. Cameraman, come closer, alright? Okay, now I'm going to divide the dough with a skewer. I'm just making it in a way that it will be easier for you to understand what is going on here, okay? I'm going to add the potato fillings on one part of the dough as demonstrated, all right? You can see I still have some spaces, okay? Now dip your finger in a water and rub at the edges of the dough, okay? Once that is done, it is time to fold. Once you fold, please seal properly. If you are with me at this moment, type seal properly. The sealing part is very, very important for this recipe. If you aren't sure about sealing with your fingers, please do the final sealing with a fork. Very important. Okay, now after sealing, I turned the back side, so I noticed that there are still some openings. I use my fingers to make sure that they are properly closed. Please, this part is very, very important. Repeat the same process with the other ones. Go ahead and fry. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means they're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. Once I add the pie dough in a hot oil, I'll be pouring hot oil on it. You will see that it will develop some kind of spotted crispy texture. You will notice it while doing it. You can fry two at once, but I choose to fry them one after the other. All right, flip it around from time to time. Once it is golden brown like so, it is ready. Take it off the heat. Repeat the same process with the other ones, and that is basically all for this recipe. Go ahead and enjoy. Do you love the recipe? Do you? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Very simple, super yummy. It tastes so good. I want you to give it a try and get back to me as usual. I open it and this is what the inside looks like. Mamma mia. Oh my goodness. You can enjoy it just the way it is or with a tomato ketchup. Oh my word, these two combos is a banger, trust me. With a ketchup, you will be addicted to this recipe. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.